Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Academy. This is the U.S. machine gun set from 2003. So again, 2003. So let's go ahead and take a look at the front of the cover here. This is in 1/35 scale. You see a little bit of the feature set there, and some example illustrations of the items included, and some of the little accessories as well. We continue on the edge, a little bit more information there. On this edge, this is actually also supplied through, at the time, Model Rectifier Corp and manufactured in Korea. Kit number AA425 1384. Some more information in multiple languages. And on the back cover, let's see here, there is a little bit of a difference here. Some more information there, as well as the age recommendation and barcode. And again, 2003, a little bit more look at of the finished setup there in these tiny photographs. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so I don't see anything else in there. Looks like we have some multiple papers here. We do have some interesting warnings on a colorful leaflet here on one side, as well as an instruction set here. Parts locating diagram, decals. Read this before you begin in multiple languages, and kind of the instructions and icons set up there, as well as paint icons and assembly specific instruction icons there as well. Continuing on this side for various items, and again from 2003. Take a look here, some decals that can be applied to the side of the larger items. And a quick look at the parts on the tree. You can see how very fine the belts are. Again, this is in 1/35 scale. Multiple trees, including an even smaller tree I can see here diagonally across the other two larger trees. You can even see here a little bit of the tripod on this side here. Give you again a look at the level of detail. I really like those belts. It's very interesting. Although trimming those from the sprue might be a challenge. Here's some of the information on the edge of the trees as well, if we can get that to focus. But again, taking a very quick look here at the U.S. machine gun set from Academy. This is AA425 number 1384. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out our unboxing videos on the channel. We used to do show and tell videos, as well as a selection of book review, media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.